For us, the clouds have rolled in and they're going to be here for a while. We're looking at 57 degrees, but it's going to be getting warmer as we get closer to the weekend. Won't feel, the frigid cold that we're getting. The east winds now, that makes a big difference. That's a milder air. We had the north wind came in yesterday, 40 miles an hour. Well, now as an east wind, that brings in humidity and slightly warmer temperatures. But we've got a very interesting picture for you. We've got a live shot from Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota, that's actually live, where it's 44 below zero. I mean, let that sink in for a moment. That's the temperature, and of course the wind is also howling up there, and that's the big concern because people just need to be indoors. Schools have been canceled, businesses closed, everybody's locked down, staying indoors because this is dangerous cold out there, and it's going to last for about 2 more days. Well, a day and a half. By the weekend, they're going to be looking at a real nice thaw out, so we'll be showing you that in a moment. For us, as I mentioned, the winds are now shifting out of the east, and that is going to help warm us up. So it also brings in moisture, so we're going to have an air column on top of us with enough moisture to give us a little bit of drizzle over the next couple of days. 57 for us, 48 out in the Cotulla area, and we'll just go take a look at the temperatures elsewhere around the region. You can see Chicago is minus 18 in Minneapolis, and minus 12 right about here. So this bitter cold is going to be there for a couple more days, 24 below throughout Fargo, North Dakota. For us, we're now beneficiaries of that because as that stays up there, we're getting a blast of Pacific air. That's what is giving us the cloud deck that you see right about there. And this little system riding up under it is going to give us the rain that comes in tomorrow. Behind that, there's another one. So all of a sudden, we're in the kind of a sloppy weather pattern that's going to be with us for quite some time. But it could be worse. Consider this is the freeze line right about here through Oklahoma. The below zero line is all this pink area, basically from upstate New York all the way to North Dakota. So it is really rough out there. And for all you winter Texans, well, call home and make sure everybody's okay because this is serious stuff. So for us, cloudy and chilly today, only in the 50s. You need the coat. Tonight will be overcast and we'll start picking up light rain. Then tomorrow, which is just Thursday, it looks pretty soggy as this area of low pressure rolls over us. It's going to be with us for about a day and a half and then it pulls out. But even as we get to the weekend, we're going to stay on the cloudy side of things, not exactly clear and blue, but consider what the rest of the world is going through. 60 today, then 65 tomorrow, 71 by Friday, still damp. And then on the weekend, we're in the mid 70s, just in time for the Super Bowl. There may be a little drizzle or two, but consider yourself lucky, okay? It'll be 75 degrees. That's your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. Paula, back to you.